The site settings area is where many of the miscellaneous Business Catalyst features can be found. I'm going to quickly review each item and then get into the specifics of the site settings most commonly used. Please note, to use some of these features, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. Now, the first item in site settings is site domains. This is one of the features that you can only access after you upgrade from a trial site. Now, the question I'm probably asked the most about Business Catalyst is, can I use my own domain name? Now, the answer is yes, and site domains is where you can tell Business Catalyst what custom domain name or domain names you are going to assign to this site. Now, the next menu item is email accounts, and it's exactly what you think it is. You can create and manage email accounts directly from Business Catalyst. And at the time this video was recorded, Business Catalyst offers 10 email accounts with most of its plans. Now, in admin users, you are able to invite others to have access to the admin to help manage your online business. Business Catalyst currently allows for 3 admins, but more can be purchased if needed. In user roles, you may assign roles to users that allow them to have certain permissions and responsibilities. Within categories, you can create a way to organize and filter many of the features that list out data, including e-commerce module, blog module, web apps, and many other parts of Business Catalyst. In Manage Workflows, you can create and manage when notifications are sent out, and to which users. This is most commonly used with web forms, but it can be handy in many other sections of Business Catalyst. Within social integration, you can create a Facebook login that allows authorized users to log into their secure zones using Facebook accounts. This can make it easier for users when they don't remember their username or password. Under mobile support, Business Catalyst allows you to create separate sites for phones or tablets. So if you want your design or content to be different depending on the device rendering your website, you can set that up here. And CAPTCHA is a way to help prevent spam. It is an image showing letters that need to be typed in by the user to have a web form submit successfully. You can select the type of CAPTCHA and you can choose which forms to enforce it. The Site Map menu item brings you to the Site Map page, and it is a way to list out the pages on your site, so users and search engines will be able to navigate your site easier. This is commonly used when a visitor is looking for something in particular and is having trouble finding the page it's on. RSS is a way to syndicate data automatically. You'll often see RSS feeds associated with blogs. It's a great way for people to be notified when a new blog entry has been posted. But you are not limited to blogs. You can create RSS channels for web apps, events, news items, and lots of other Business Catalyst features. Now, the customer service ticketing, in my opinion, is the most underrated feature in Business Catalyst. You can create a support ticketing system that allows you to track tickets between the site customers and your support team. You can have Business Catalyst automatically assign cases to certain users, have the ability to open and close tickets, and a lot more. Now, if you use QuickBooks, you are going to be happy to know that you can integrate your QuickBooks with Business Catalyst by downloading a QWC file. Now, Business Catalyst also allows for API integration. So if you want to use a third-party service to interact with your Business Catalyst site, you can definitely do that. And if you need to use custom server-side code for your Business Catalyst site, you can always have it run on another server and use the API to help you do what you need to do in Business Catalyst. And site management is where you would delete your Business Catalyst site. And if you want to redirect users to an external website from your Business Catalyst site, and you can do that here in the Secure Domain Redirection page. And the last link is where you would find any beta features that Business Catalyst is working on. You can opt in or out of any beta features here. This section will change depending on what is in beta at the time. Now, there's a lot in site settings, and we're going to go over in more detail some of the more commonly used site setting features.